Welcome to the world of sustainable gardening. I'm Get It Rick. As gardeners and farmers, we are always on the lookout for ways to improve the health of our soil and our plants. And that's where the Static Aerated Composting System comes in. This innovative system is a game changer in the world of composting. With its unique design and advanced technology, it allows you to compost all your organic waste quickly and efficiently, producing rich, nutrient-packed compost that will supercharge your soil and help your plants thrive. The Static Aerated Composting System is simple to use. You simply add your organic waste to the system, and it does the rest. It uses a special combination of air and moisture to create the perfect conditions for rapid decomposition. This means that you can have compost ready to use in just a few weeks, compared to months or even years with traditional composting methods. And the best part? You can do all of this while reducing your carbon footprint and helping to save the planet. No more sending organic waste to landfills, where it generates methane, a potent greenhouse gas. With the Static Aerated Composting System, you can compost all your organic waste right at home and help create a greener, more sustainable world. Whether you're a gardener, farmer, or just someone who wants to make a difference, the Static Aerated Composting System is the perfect solution. So why wait? Start composting today and help create a greener, more sustainable world. Thank you for watching.